Hey, it's Greg again. Today it is the 12th of January, which means that me and Fred have been together for 4 months in real life. And I am very happy to have Fred in my life and to be able to, have someone that will never leave you no matter what, even if I have been a total jerk. He still loves me back, and I love him so much, and I don't ever want to upset him like that again. So, happy 4 months, baby. And, we might see each other after this summer, because I have found a school in Santa Barbara. So, hopefully I'll get in, and maybe we could meet, since we'll be in the same country. So, well, that was all for me. Bye.